Okay, so this is the email we got. The leads I'm getting from my Google search ads campaigns are of poor quality. Not a single lead is converting, and they are not showing right intent. What should I do to improve my leads quality? All right. So there's a couple of things you can do. First of all, look at your keywords and the search terms and see if it has got the intent or not. If they are good and you're getting the right and relevant click from that person who is looking at your ad and coming onto your website or your landing page, that's where you need to qualify or disqualify them. The easiest way to do that is setting up a form and you ask them certain questions. And if they don't answer right um, the right way, then you know that they're not the right lead or potential customer for me. So you can disqualify them, and you can do these by in high level, Wufu, and all these forms where if the answer is a no, then it disqualifies them and it just takes them to a thank you page where it says, I'm sorry, but we cannot help you right now. So they won't even come to you as a lead. They just get disqualified. And then you give them a different offer, show them a different video, or give them something else so that you keep that communication with them. They keep believing in you that, yes, right now they are not a good fit for you, but in the future they may well be. So you don't want to just tell them to go away. What you want them to do is to keep following you, keep pushing them down the funnel. So eventually, when the time is right for them, they come back to you and they become your lead or a client. So the form is one of the best way to change the questions, change the questionnaire, and then you start to see that whether how they have replied is good enough for you or not. So for me, let's say I'm looking for clients who spend more than $5,000 a month on Google Ads. So in one of the questions, we will have how much are you spending per month? If it's 1,000, then we know they're not the right client for me. So it's easily you can shift through these leads whether they're good or not.